Not too bad for a tray mount. By the way, we're using some ultramarine switches. I've always been a big fan of the color of these. And then, so this is gonna be, I think it's already available. Let me double check. I think this is still available. Yeah, there's a bunch of colors for this right now. So nice. A lot of really nice colors, actually. Ultra Forest looks really pretty. Ultramarine. So this is about $299. I don't think there's any other, oh, just the E-coat's more expensive if you want to go with E-coat. We have a bunch of different plates and stuff here. Ooh, one of them's weighty, so one of them's probably brass. Okay, I'm probably not gonna do brass today. We'll see what I do. This is a Willow PCB? Nice. Brass or carbon, do something different. I would be down to do carbon fiber today. I would be down for that. So we got our little Wilba PCB and this beautiful color, by the way. Absolutely beautiful color PCB. We have two small two larger flex cuts here, but from my experience, like just having two large flex cuts on the top and bottom row doesn't really affect sound profile as much. Still slightly, but not as much. So if you guys are interested in that little bit of extra flex in your typing experience, I think this is usually like the optimal way to kind of go. Everyone has different preferences though. Oh, this is kind of nice. It's like high quality. We have ultramarine stabs. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if Scary Robot's in chat right now, but what's this? It was a screw tray? Oh, I didn't know this was in the box. Oh God, the foam's breaking here. I always kind of like screw trays. Like they're always kind of fun to look at. Oh, this is kind of cute. Ooh. Not that everyone needs something like this, but I've always been kind of a sucker for, this is a nice color too. Like little desk things like this, like little desk gadgets where you can kind of like, you know, throw in some stuff. Little trays like this are great for organizing, by the way. We'll keep that on the desk for now. We have, I like that. I actually low-key like that little cloth thing. Let's take a look at the keyboard now. No, this is something they sent over for me to take a look at, so everyone's aware. Pretty decent, gets most of the details right. I mean, that's pretty cool. Oh. Okay, dude, I don't know if you guys ever feel guilt like I do. I always feel guilty ripping this paper, but there's no good way to do it unless you, I mean, I guess you can do that, I guess, but I feel so guilty. I feel like I shouldn't be doing it, but whatever. Oh man, okay, I'm already a sucker for this green. I'm already a sucker for this. That's a clean green. Oh man. That's kind of cool. Little tray mount action going on. I wonder if you can O-ring mount this. That would be kind of cool if you could. I'm not too sure if you can. That's a nice green. Yeah, this is pretty classic Mekanisk like vibes too. Really pretty side profile actually. That's actually kind of nice. I like that, just it's a clean line, kind of tapers bottom and top there. Oh, you need an O-ring conversion kit? Ah, that'd be really cool if we got to do that today. This is kind of nice. Dude, I need to get BRG, bro. Does it match the tray? Yeah, it should. It's the same color. Yeah. Tray, obviously, you're going to see some light reflections because it's angled and stuff, but same color. And that just kind of goes in there, too. I guess we can try using some of this stuff, too. Cool. I'm excited to try this. A little weight on the inside. Not a bad, like, honestly, if you guys are into something like this, not a bad little pickup. I don't think Mekanisk sells conversion kits sold by a guy in Mech Market. What do you need for the conversion kit, though? Like, would it not be able to just sit in here with an O-ring? Like, what would you need to do? Does this just need to be higher on the sides over here? Is that a keyboard bag on the side? No, this guy's just a cleaning cloth, like a cloth or a microfiber. But let's actually lube our stabs. You need a different PCB and plate. Oh, you would, because you would need the cutouts on the side. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, okay. You wouldn't be able to do it with this PCB. That maybe has something for the future. Mekanisk design always so well considered. Yeah, it's just clean. Like, it's simple. And not for nothing, it's really cool having like the really extra keyboards or just keyboards that are like in your face. You know, as I got really into keyboards, I think I've told you guys this a bunch of times. There's just something special about something so simple. And like, just something simple like this that's thoughtfully, you know, put together and stuff. I don't know, I've always been a big fan. Pretty combination with the stabs and the PCB though. Really like this. Good old carbon fiber. Oh, these switches even look so good in here. I can't wait till we put a few more. I'll actually test the stabs. I don't know what set we're gonna put on this though. Should we let Chozo pick today? Sorry if this has been answered, but where is this square tray from? That is actually from Mekanisk as well. I don't remember the name of it. Honestly, I didn't even know I was getting one to look at. I don't know if there is like a specific product name for this. I don't know if Scary Robot can let us know what the product name is going to be. The color is Ultra Forest. It's called the Culp. Okay. All right. I don't think do we need both of these? Robot, do you recommend both of these little foam pieces on the bottom, or is it just sort of like up in the air? Totally personal preference. Let's start off with one, shall we? Oh, where did this piece of foam come from? Let's start off with one. Coffee and tea throughout the day. Yeah, I think getting into coffee again, or getting into tea again might be like a whole other thing. But I don't know. Haven't really... Do we need to do these two on the side? Ooh, my stomach is growling. Coffee is bean soup. Why do you have to say it like that, custom? Bean water. Coffee's just harsh, it has a kick. Let's do Polybius. Okay. Polybius is actually on the board. I need to take the keycaps off anyways, so I need to send this back to Frug. So that works perfectly for me. That looks pretty nice. Okay. On the desk right now, this is a slick looking keyboard. It has that illusion that it sits a little higher than it does because of like how it tapers upwards. So you get kind of like that floating kind of feel. That's kind of nice. Again, very simple. Nothing too crazy. It looks good. Yeah, it does look really nice. I like this. Sit properly in there. Yeah, get the recessed USB-C. Beautiful green. Okay, so this is a tray mount, guys. So I don't really know. It's been a while since I built a tray mount. Expectations for sound, we'll see. I might take this apart and put the other piece of foam in just to see what it sounds like. But we have the one piece of foam here on the bottom. This is the Urskog. Honestly, not bad. Right away, the HJ test is giving me some good vibes. That's not too bad for a tray mount. Yeah. Did they give you O-rings for bergamot? I didn't see any O-rings for anything like that. Yeah, this might not be for everyone. I can definitely, like, with a tray mount, you're going to feel some of that reverberation too, like that feedback, which is a little different. Feel with Holy Pandas. Hold on, I do want to touch up the spacebar stab a little bit. Honestly, not bad. I don't mind this at all. Some people may not like the tray mount. You know what? Like I said, I don't mind this. Perhaps those O-rings could make a big difference for feedback, but this is pretty solid. You know what's crazy is like something like this to me can sound better than some other boards that we've done that just have like really bad sound profiles. But so this is without the desk pad. I don't know if I like it without the desk pad. I think it's a bit too bassy for me, maybe a bit too bassy. Yeah, you can really hear the reverb and nothing's really isolated with this too. Compared to something, we'll use the Salvation because it's sort of like a hybrid tray mount type thing, right? More isolation here. Now, when we put a desk pad on it, let's grab our little key mat over here. Cuts all that reverberation down. And it's kind of nice, it's kind of unique. I think the carbon fiber is a pretty good choice too. I think I would also like to see it with the polycarbonate plate too. I use 205 today, but I've been using GS3. I just had the 205 syringe right here. Love you guys, and bye everybody. Love you guys so much. Peace out.